In the following figure, if DE parallel to BC, then x equal to అన్నారు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ AD by DB ఈక్వల్ టు AE by EC అవుతుంది. సో x plus 4 by x plus 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 2x minus 1 by x plus 1. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. x plus 4 into x plus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 2x minus 1 into x plus 3. సో x into x x square plus x into 1 x plus 4 into x 4x plus 4 4 ones 4 amma 2x into x 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3. So x square plus 5x plus 4 equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 3. 5x cancel. 2x square minus x square equal to 4 plus 3. X square equal to 7. X equal to root 7. Option 2 is correct.